and welcome back to Shoogly Shed Motors. An exciting day today because I'm going to start putting the XJR1300 back together. As you'll have seen, the engine has been rebuilt. It's sitting nicely wrapped up here, keeping nice and safe, so I don't get any dust or damage to it. And I just picked up the frame from the powder coater, and I've got a few other parts from the powder coater as well that are ready to go on. So I thought today would be a good opportunity to try and get the frame onto the engine, or engine into the frame, and start kind of trying to get a base again for this bike to start putting it all back together. Some things are still away, getting coatings done, forks are away getting chromed, that kind of thing. I'm still short of a few parts that I need to buy, but I've got a little bit of a rush on the job now. I won't say much more about it just now, but potentially a little deadline on my hands. So I'm going to try and get as much as I can done today. Like I say, get a sort of base together. Unfortunately I can't get quite a rolling chassis yet because I'm waiting on the forks coming back, but maybe I'll get the back wheel mounted up, I'm not sure. We'll see how far we get. Feels strange unwrapping these. I think I wrapped these about 2 years ago, I think. God, don't they look amazing? well, I hope you'll agree that that's taking shape quite nicely. Yeah, I'm over the moon with that so far. It's proper, you know, top quality. All the finishings look amazing. There's not a single rusty fastener going back on this bike. It's just all looking primed and polished, so I'm really chuffed with the result so far. I still have a whole bunch of parts that have been freshly coated still to go on. Rear sets, things like that. Got the yokes to go on. Need to press the bearings into the headset. Yeah, lots to be getting on with. The thing that's kind of stopping me getting the wheels on, two things. Basically, obviously the forks are still getting chromed, so the front wheel is games a bogey for that, and the rear wheel I'm waiting on some oil seals. I had to order special sized oil seals because of the jiggery pokery I did with spacers and whatnot in order to make these wheels fit this frame. So yeah, we're getting there. It's just yeah, bolting bits on basically. Bolting bits on, putting nice fasteners on it, just taking my time about it, making sure not to damage anything while I do it, and you know, the bike will come together bit by bit. But just now I'm going to wrap this up here, and hopefully the next time I'll get a little bit more done and just keep plodding on with a few episodes while this bike goes back together. So as usual, please do give me a like, leave me a comment, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's so important. Trying to get my subscribers up a little bit. Just about to hit the 5k mark, pretty incredible. Yeah, and hopefully if you like where this bike is going, you'll like the other bikes that I've built. The VMAX, for instance, just won an award at the Scottish Motorcycle Show. I'm really chuffed for that, and obviously I've got the Iron Girder and my XS250 and a few other bikes on there for you to check out. This bike is hopefully going to be my best work yet, and I can't wait to kind of take you along the ride while it all goes back together and we get a finished bike at the end of it. Take care. Goodbye. That was stressful.